So magandang araw ka bola, sa video na ito is pag-usapan natin itong nangyari nga po sa ating Gilas Pilipinas kabola. So they perfected yung round 1 kabola. They did not win a single game after that 7-point defeat against Italy kabola. So pag-usapan natin kung ano nangyari and ano bang historical significance po nito. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So against Italy kabola, ibang team na naman po or ibang type of team na naman yung nakalaban po ng Gilas. It was pretty obvious kabola na yun nga, we do not have the capacity actually to overcome the offense of Italy kabola, diba? So nakakawindang lang talaga no, itong ating schedule in this FIBA World Cup kasi parang talagang hinarap tayo sa lahat ng klase ng team, kumbaga in general na pwede natin makaharap, diba? In the first game, we met a balanced team in Dominican Republic, kabola. In the second game, we met a defensive team in Angola. Nahirapan tayong score. Now, in this third game, we met an offensive team na nahirapan tayong depensahan, kabola. So, very obvious doon, nakita natin lapses ng defense natin, kakulangan sa chemistry, kabola. And doon pinakita talaga kung ano po ang beauty ng modern basketball. Italy showed that to us, kabola, no? Pero of course, we also showed offense kasi we scored 83 points. Our highest scoring output. Unfortunately, it was not enough, kabola. It was not enough for us to win and salvage a victory sa round 1. And now we are relegated to the classification phase, which means that we will play 2 more games and meron pa rin tong bearing kasi we are still fighting for that 1 ticket, kabola, for Olympics from the continent of Asia. And Japan is currently leading the way in that race kasi nakapanalo po sila, kabola, dito po sa round 1. Now the question of a lot of people, kabola, is that is it time to replace Coach Chot Reyes po, kabola? That's basically the biggest question right now. And I think the answer is yes. And let me give you the reason why. So this is now the 3rd FIBA World Cup in the last 10 years. In 2019, it was coached by Coach Yang Giao, and it was really bad. If you look what the score, no? Dito po talagang nilampaso tayo ng Italy. Kaya maraming sabi, there is a big improvement, di ba? So in this game, talo tayo ng 46 points. Now, talo na lang tayo ng 7 points, di ba? Nilampaso tayo ng Serbia. Angola naman, 3 points lang yung pagkatalo natin sa kanila. But remember, this is coached by Coach Yang Giao. In 2014, it was coached by Coach Chot Reyes. Nung mahal pa siya ng tao, kabola. Nung in a way, is yung respect sa kanya, kabola, ay nasa level or malapit lang din sa level ng isang Coach Tim Cone, kabola. And in this is still one of the best World Cup sa history po ng ating national team, kabola. In this World Cup, 3 points lang po yung dinamang sa atin ng Croatia, was multiple NBA players. 12 points lang po yung dinamang sa atin ng Greece, na merong Giannis Antetokounmpo, kabola, pero of course, bata pa po siya dito. And several others po na NBA caliber players. 4 points lang po yung nilamang ng Argentina, kabola, sa atin, na again, meron pong Luis Scola, if you remember. Then even in the classification phase, kabola, muntik nating matalo yung Puerto Rico na meron din pong several NBA players, and Senegal na meron din pong mga NBA caliber players. So this is our best ever, and this was Coach Chot Reyes. Now, going back to what happened, diba? If we compare the team now in terms of talent level, yung 2014 team compared po dito sa 2019 team, kabola, we could all agree siguro naman that mas talented po yung ating 2023 Gilas team, kabola. And we have the home court advantage. So just the comparison between these two, kabola, dun natin makikita na there is something wrong in the preparation. There is something wrong about what transpired inside the court, kabola. And it will end up with the question na what will be the reason bakit mo pa i-retain si Coach Chot Reyes, di ba? Anong rason kung bakit mo pa siya i-retain, kabola? Kabola, sa palagay mo, dapat bang i-retain si Coach Chot Reyes? Comment lang po sa baba.